China. So today I was just kind of at home, sitting around, didn't know what to do. But luckily I came up with this amazing craft and I thought maybe I should just share it with the other kids. Because due to the coronavirus, I'm sure that you're kind of home, finding stuff to keep you busy. So I just wanted to share this video with you guys. So this amazing flower that you have right in front of you is what I'm going to be teaching you how to make. But before we kind of jump into that, I just wanted to let you know that just right over here is a flower that I made in one of my previous videos. Be sure to check it out. And yeah, so let me just show you what you need to make this flower. Okay, so what you're gonna need to build this amazing flower, you're gonna need 2 sheets of colored construction paper or any other type of paper, your choice. 1 more paper, like it can be blank, it can be green for the stem, whatever you really choose. You're gonna need 4 pieces of tape, preferably clear, 1 pencil, 1 scissor, and 1 glue stick. So let's start with the stem. So for this, you're gonna need just 1 sheet of paper and a pencil, and you're gonna have to kind of use 1 extra piece of tape. So first what you're gonna do, you're gonna just take your pencil, kind of get it onto this area, the corner, and start to roll it and just kind of get it out. Make sure it's kind of tight so that it can, like it's more like sturdy, might help you. Okay, take the pencil out and just put some tape there. And there, you got your stem. Oh, these also make pretty good drumsticks. Well, let's just keep one of them. So now that you have your stem, you need to start making the main part, the flower part. So what you're gonna do, so actually kind of got started, you're gonna take that piece of paper, fold it in half, and then you're gonna start cutting them into little strips like this. So I'll do some right now. Just make sure that you don't cut all the way to the top. And also just remember to cut thin strips, but like not too chubby, because then the flower kind of turns into something else. Been there, done that, turned into something else. So I'm just gonna fast forward this part when I cut them off. So this is where your glue stick's gonna come in handy. First, now that you have your folded strips, you're gonna turn them this way, kind of press them, and get them ready to be folded this side. Take your glue and just add like a strip. Then you can just fold it. And you have this loop. Now grab the other sheet and do the same thing. Just gonna put some more glue, less. So you should have 2 of these. Now it's time we kind of make the flower part. You take your stick and you take 1 piece of tape. Just put it at the top, whatever you want the top to be, and put it right at the beginning of one of your frills. Then just start to roll it And don't roll it in the same place. Like kind of get it to move around. Like that. Then take your other piece of tape. Just make sure that it sticks. Then again, take your other piece of tape. Put it here. And start rolling. And finally, the last piece of tape. So, voila, that's your, well, from me it's yellow. That's your flower, and it's just really, really pretty. And now I'm gonna add this to the collection vase. Look at that. You know, a little fun fact, you can also make it a little bit, so if you use really short paper, you can make them kind of, what's the word, curvy. You can make them pointy. So yeah. Thank you for stopping by for watching my video. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you can get notified about when I'm posting a new video. And one more thing, let's just hope that the coronavirus goes away. Stay indoors and just think positive thoughts. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.